So when I say we cannot dictate terms to Google, so it means to say our bargaining power is less in comparison to Google and in comparison to our readers. So who are we? We are writers. So our bargaining power is second to none when it comes to dealing with Google and when it comes to dealing with your readers. Because you cannot tell your reader that no matter what, I want my content to show up. No matter what, Google, you have to show up my content on the very first page. No matter what, dear reader, do not read content from XYZ. I want you to read content only from my end. We cannot do that, right? Yeah. Okay, so expert and influencer. If you are not an expert, you need to act as an influencer. So who are experts and who are influencers, and how does this influence our content marketing? So an expert is a person who is very knowledgeable or skillful in a particular area. Experts are adding new layers of knowledge and add unique pieces of information. So they are the ones who are actually, you can say, into manufacturing the product, who know in depth, and they write content with, talking about the features of the product, or talking about why I should be buying their product and all of that. That's one part of it. Coming to an influencer is an individual who has the power to affect the purchase decision of others because of his or her authority, knowledge, position, or relationship with the audience, right? So this is why they rope in your celebrities, because they are influencers. And the celebrities, if your loved celebrity says that, yes, I use this shampoo or I use this cream, what happens? It has an impact on the audience. So the audience also tend to buy that particular cream or that particular brand of clothes or that particular brand of toothpaste, no matter, even if it is Kajol advertising for Colgate wearing a doctor's blazer. They don't bother about that. They just bother that, yes, Kajol is my favorite heroine, and if she kind of uses Colgate, I definitely would. So that's your influencer. So talking about influencer in a more broader sense is, you have your Instagram influencers. So Instagram, where you have more number of followers and stuff. So normal people have also become celebrities because of their fan following. Overnight, suddenly it just booms, and one post or one picture gets viral. What happens? You end up gaining a lot of followers. So brands have kind of looked into this, and they are, what do you say, they're collaborating with these influencers to kind of push their product. So if we happen to see a person having, like, 1 lakh followers and all that, so a brand may be like, wow, it's nice, it's good to rope in him and ask him to be an advertiser for my brand. Probably if I'm into selling, say, bags or shoes or something like that, I would be like, yes, he would be definitely a good brand ambassador on Instagram to influence his audience to buy my products. So that's another part of influencing.